Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is pumpkin pie dip. So easy, my 4-year-old can make it. All you need is a can of pumpkin puree, a tub of Cool Whip, and then you can add to that 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, 1 package of vanilla pudding, and the last ingredient is 1/4 cup of milk. That's all there is to it. You just mix it really well until everything's combined, and then you place it in the refrigerator to chill for at least an hour. And this turned out really good. Tastes just like pumpkin pie. I went ahead and transferred mine into a little Pyrex dish. And then you could serve it with sliced up apples or vanilla wafers, anything at all. It's easy, great little appetizer, little dessert. And yeah, if you guys give it a try, let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.